Why waste time in commute and spend a lot of money for NEET UG coaching? Parents, do you want your kids to achieve top scores in NEET? India's leading online NEET coaching, 100% success. NEET UG. TeenEinstein.com. At TeenEinstein, we focus on NEET coaching from Class 6 to Class 12. We think you'll like it. Our teachers are mostly PhDs in physics, maths, chemistry, botany and zoology with lots of years of teaching experience for Class 6 to Class 12. Thousands of videos, quiz, MCQs. We provide a daily worksheet of 30 questions on each topic, math, physics, chemistry and biology for rigorous practice, concept understanding, evaluation, quizzes and thousands of videos. Limited offer, 40,000 per year. Book your class. TeenEinstein.com. Contact 99402 49720.
Hello students, welcome to the PYQ discussions on JEE Advanced papers. Here I have got a problem from JEE Advanced paper 1 2022. The problem says 6 charges are placed around a regular hexagon of side A as shown in the figure. So this is a regular hexagon of side A and the charges are placed around the hexagon. 5 of them have charge Q and the remaining one has charge X. The perpendicular from each charge to the nearest hexagon side passes through the center of the hexagon, that is O, is bisected by the side. Look this is the perpendicular from this charge to the side, this side, and if I extend up to center, the question says this distance will be actually bisected by this side. Okay, that means this side and this side, they will be having the same value. Alright, which of the following statements is or are correct in SI units? The first option says when X is equal to Q, the magnitude of the electric field at the center is 0. Let us first verify this and then we'll proceed. So if this is Q, then we have to check what is the electric field at the center. First of all, let me tell you the distance from each charge to the center is same, since all the charges are symmetrically situated. Okay, if we require to find out the distance, we can actually find out if I connect this nearest vertices to the center. This will give you a equilateral triangle. Okay, an equilateral triangle of side A. So this will be the height of the equilateral triangle. Okay, so that will be √3/2 into A. Again, this distance will be equal to this distance. So what is the distance between the center and the charges is, if that is R, I can write √3/2 into A into 2. So which will give you √3 into A. This is the distance from center to the charges. Now you have to check what is the electric field at the center when all the charges are of same magnitude and of same sign. So look, the electric field produced by this charge and electric field produced by this charge, they are actually directed exactly opposite to each other and the magnitude of the electric field will be the same. Similarly, if I consider these two charges, their magnitude and the direction will be, magnitude will be same, direction will be opposite to each other. Similarly for this also. Okay, ultimately if you sum all the electric fields over here, this will give you 0 because each pair will cancel one another. Okay, so the first option is correct here. The second option says if this X is minus Q, then the magnitude of the electric field at O, that means at the center, is Q by 6 pi epsilon naught A square. we have to verify this. Now we have seen in the previous case, see, this pair will cancel the electric field produced by each other. Okay, so this pair also will cancel each other. But here you look, the electric field direction for this negative charge will be along this direction, and the electric field produced by this is a positive charge, this also will be in the same direction. Okay, that means, you know, this electric field will not be zero, this will give you some non-zero value. So that we can find out by writing this. See, here the distances are actually same, so we have to just add them. So 2 into q by 4 pi epsilon naught into the distance, that is root 3. Okay, distance square, sorry, this is distance square. That means, you know, we are getting, this will be 3 then, so we'll get 2q. This 2 I can actually strike with this, so I'll get ultimately q by 6 pi epsilon naught, and there will be a square also, root 3a. This r we have written root 3a, right? So the second option is also correct. Alright, let us go for the third option. When this x is 2q, then the potential at the center will be 7q by 4 pi epsilon naught a into root 3. So the potential created at this by all of them will be always additive, but negative charge can create negative potential, positive charge can create positive potential. So here in this case, you look, see, each 5 will create equal, okay, equal. So all this 5 will create 5q into, okay, 5q by 4 pi epsilon naught a. A is root over 3 into a. Okay, so this is for all 5. So for this I have to just add it, because this is positive charge, this also will create positive potential, and see this, the denominator, this quantity is same for all of them. Okay, so if you add this, I'll certainly get 7q by 4 pi into root 3 epsilon naught into a. This is all. So I am getting this also to be correct. Now we have to check the fourth option. I am just erasing everything. So I have so far A, B, C, all 3 are correct. Now I have to check when this is minus 3q, what will be the potential. See, we have already got 5q by 4 pi root over 3 epsilon naught a, this for all 5, and for this minus 3q, this will be subtracted. So the numerator is 3q, but denominator is actually same for this also. So this is very simple. This will be actually 2q by 4 pi root over 3 epsilon naught a. Therefore this is not going to be correct. Okay, so first 3 options will be correct, and this is the answer for this question. Thank you.
Why waste time in commute and spend a lot of money for IIT JEE coaching? Parents, do you want your kids to achieve top scores in IIT JEE? India's leading online NEET coaching 100% success IIT JEE. At TeenEinstein, we focus on IIT JEE coaching from Class 6 to Class 12. We think you'll like it. Our teachers are mostly PhDs in physics, maths, chemistry, botany, and zoology, with lots of years of teaching experience for Class 6 to Class 12. Thousands of videos, quiz, MCQs. We provide a daily worksheet of 30 questions on each topic: math, physics, chemistry, and biology, for rigorous practice, concept understanding, evaluation, quiz, and thousands of videos. Limited offer 40,000 rupees per year. Book your class. TeenEinstein.com